So hello and welcome to another update. Well, it's here. The workshop tent is here, although it's been a bit battered on the way over here. I mean, look at the packaging. It's pretty mangled. Like, even the boxes have got like big punch holes in them and stuff, so hopefully it's not damaged anything. I mean, the box with the big sheeting in, even that's got holes in it, so I'm a little bit concerned that it might have ripped that. I don't know if all the poles are here because the ends of them are open. They could have lost them at any point. Even when I was picking it up out the van, there was bits falling out of it, so we won't know until we start putting it together, I suppose. Fighter planes are up in the air, in case you didn't hear them. But yeah, it's here. We should be putting it up hopefully this weekend. But for you guys, I'll include it in this video. But yeah, it's here. It's from Dan Cobber. I think they're based in the Netherlands or something like that, Holland, something like that. Yeah, ordered it Friday. It's now Thursday, so under a week to come. That's pretty good. That's not bad at all. But yeah, I'm just a bit concerned. I'm not going to open it all up here. I'll get it to the site and then I'll open it all up. We'll have a look and yeah, start putting it together, and then we won't know if something's missing until we come to find it and it's not there. But it's here. It's here. We just got to get it there and start setting it up. I'm excited. So we've started laying the pallets down. We went and got a load of pallets. I can't remember if I told you that. But basically, we're setting out the floor. So it's taken a bit more leveling than what I thought. I'm probably being too anal with how level the floor is, but I thought I need to get it as close as I can at this point, and then I won't be kicking myself later on for not doing it. So that's the size of it. Let me come down here, I'll show you the full size of it. So basically it'll come from there, it'll obviously go all the way across when I've finished it, and then it'll go up wherever that is, up there. So yeah, all that area will be floor as well. It's taken a while. Well, so I've been doing this all morning so far. It's just turned early afternoon and we're about 3/4 of the way there, probably, maybe just under. So yeah, a few more pallets to lay down, then we're ready for the tent, which is in the back of here at the minute. I'm just hoping I've got all the bars, because obviously it got delivered with all the bars hanging out. But yeah, it's in there. Once we've got the floor done, we'll get the tent on, and then we'll get some membrane on it just to stop the water coming through, and then overboard it with plywood or whatever I can get cheap, basically, is what I'm going to put on it. I think it might be plyboard. So yeah, we're getting there. Might have to go get some more pallets. I seem to be running out of the right sort of sizes though. It's going well. So I've come to the yard this morning, ready to put the tent up, and look at it. Look at it. Someone has been through here with a forklift or something and just ran over the lot and just completely messed it up. I mean, look, it's nowhere near level now. I'm gonna have to redo probably half of this. It's pushed up all the way up there. Oh, for God's sakes, people. Just because they wanted to put some steel girders around the back. Like, they could have just moved these end couple of pallets, at least. And then I would have only had to reset like 2 or 3 of them. But now I've literally got to do the... I mean, look. People just piss me off. Look at this. What an absolute joke. What a waste of a day. I'm going to have to re-level them. This is just... yeah. Pain in my arse. God's sakes. So we finally rectified the issue. taken me over half a day to basically relay all of these. I had to do the whole lot because it had just buckled. Basically, I think it pushed it from that corner up there, and it basically just sent a ripple all the way down it. Is it as level as it was before? Probably not. But to be honest, I was losing the will to live at this point. But we've got it back. We're going to put a lock on the gate this time because there's nobody coming round here without me being here. Because I'm not having something like this again. This is ridiculous. But we're here. The floor is back on. We've got to put the tent on now. Well, start putting the tent together. And then get the frame up. And then get the walls and the roof on it. But yeah, we should. I'm hoping to get the frame put together today. And then I'll need some help to get the sheet over the top because it is heavy and it's high. It's like over 3 meters high. So I'm going to struggle doing that by myself. So we'll get an extra pair of hands or a couple, and then we'll get it sheeted over. I can't believe I had to redo that again. That was painful. But we've done it. So we're back to square one again. So a quick update. We've got the roof pretty much ready now. We're just putting I've done this all by myself. I'm just putting the cross members in the bottom here now, which will give the spacings right at the bottom. Got to do them all the way along this side, all the way along that side, and then we can start lifting it up on the poles, which are down there. Which I don't know how easy that's going to be on my own. Probably quite difficult, but I'll do one side at a time, and we'll see how we get on. But yeah, this is the full length of it. Like, it comes out further than what I planned. I might have to put some more pallets down here. Actually, I thought it would finish about there, but no, it's a little bit further, which I'm not complaining. You know, a bit more extra room. Although it might kick it in a bit once I put these poles in. So we might be all right. But so far, I mean, it is raining a little bit. I'm hoping it doesn't rain too much. The sky doesn't look too bad. So hopefully it's just this little pitter-patter and then we'll be back to no rain again. But yeah, I'm hoping to get this frame up tonight. It's getting quite late now, but you know, fingers crossed. It's not too bad. I've had to redo a couple of these poles because they were the wrong way round. The instructions are very vague. Like, they don't tell you an awful lot. They tell you where the poles go, but they don't tell you like what way round things need to be, or yeah. But we're getting there, and it's coming along nicely. If you can't tell, I'm out of breath. That was heavy. Like, I mean, it's up, but my God, lifting that, like, one side, it was all right. It was fairly heavy, but then as soon as you go to lift up that other side, my God, I'd get more than one person for that. So unfortunately, I've done all I can. I mean, it's up. I've started to put some of the brace in it, but I can't brace it because there's just loads of stuff missing. Like, I'm missing a pole here, another pole there. All them, they're supposed to be bracing across the top. None of that's in there. There's loads of other bits that are just missing. So I'm gonna have to contact Dancover and get them to send them out, because I've gone through everything again and they're just not here. They're not here. I've got like loads of other poles left over that they've sent, but they're not the right ones. So I've got like loads of these ones left over. I've used all the ones I need to. They're just extras. I've got them. I need to use them 2 bits, but them other 4, they're extra. All of these are extra, but loads of them. And then them 2, which are just part numbers that aren't even on the list. So I don't know what's going on here, but they've not sent me the right stuff. So I can't do any more. I was hoping to get it completely up tonight. I mean, most of it's done. Yeah, I just wanted to get it finished. I wanted to get the frame up, so all I had to do was put the sheets over. But this is all I can do. I can't do any more. See that the roofs, the ceilings, it's like where it's not got the tension rods in it. But I can't do that until they send me the bits. So yeah, that is end of play today. We can't do no more. But yeah, we've got the main structure up. No, most of it's done. Just got a few little bits to finish up when they send them out. Hopefully they won't be too long sending them out. And then yeah, and then we can get the cover on. But this is going to be, it's going to be a good size. It's definitely a lot bigger than what I've been working in. It's like 3 times the size, probably a little bit more actually. So we should be able to do lots of projects in here, lots of big ones. And then obviously I've got the outside space if I need to do something that won't fit in here. But you know, I'll be surprised if I'm getting jobs that won't fit in this. But who knows? So yeah, we've got to wait for these parts to arrive now. Hopefully they won't be too long.